Hey everybody, today might be a long video, but it's worth it because since it was my birthday really recently, 1 day ago, this is being recorded October 12th, so we have a fire alarm collection. I did this before my birthday, but it wouldn't upload. So yeah, it was YouTube's fault. But at least now I get to do a bigger review because I got some for my birthday. So, just so you know, all horn strobes or any like audible visual alarms, I will be setting off in this video. For the pull stations, nothing. I'll just be plugging in the alarm. Anyway, so these are put in the best chronological order I could basically make it because I don't have that good of a memory, and YouTube jumbled my videos even though I tried to make them in chronological order in my playlist. So we're just gonna go through all these. So first one is a BG12 BG12, I think LX. Yes, NBG12 LX. This is addressable, and this was my first ever alarm. This one is on YouTube. I got it in like 2016 or something. Next one. Doo-doo-doo. The Wheelock RSS strobe only. This one was my second alarm. I didn't connect these two for a really long time because I didn't have, number one, I didn't have this one for a little while, and two, once I got it, I didn't know how to wire it. And we didn't even have any wired. We didn't know how to. But then we obviously eventually learned. So, yes, this is Wheelock RSS strobe. Where does it say that? Oh yeah, there. RSS. Alright, so now we are going to be testing this. This was my second alarm ever, and I love this one. So much so that I put fire tape lettering on here. That was just Scotch tape, and now it's kind of like, yeah. Alright, let's set it off. Next up is my first ever horn strobe. This one is actually has a siren like in it, fire alarm siren. Yes, I was very excited about this. The speaker actually broke, but yeah, this is my third fire alarm, and a big one because first one was speaker. I forgot to mention that this is a knockoff of the System Sensor Spectro Classic. So yeah, but I still liked it. So yeah, the speaker is broken. You can only hear it by putting the microphone or your ear up to the speaker. So yeah. Alright, I accidentally ended the video, which you won't see because thanks to the power of editing on a phone that's built in, this is why it's just a pause for you. So my fourth fire alarm is this Edwards signaling, or Edwards 270 SPO. As you can see right here, 270 SPO. So yeah, I liked this one because it was made out of full metal. and it was cool. But, fun fact, this is what my school uses right now because I switched schools, so now they use this one. Next one. Again, I am sorry if this is not in chronological order because no. But one of my Edwards pull stations are missing, and there was the one where you lift and then pull. I don't know where that is. It's at this house, but I have to find it. So here is the ADT. I don't know. ADT 5050-001. So as you can see, this one is broken. This was my 5th fire alarm and my 3rd fire alarm pull station, I believe. I don't know. But yeah. Really no need to open this one, but we can anyway. This takes a simplex B key. Yeah. I really wanted this to work. It's just that this thing is broken because someone stepped on it in the car when I had it. Like when I was pulled down, I didn't have the key. So yeah. Next up is the Firelight Alarms BG10. Yeah, BG10. This one, I always have it unscrewed with the hex because it's really annoying. And why would they make it like that? I think a lot of people can agree. But, yeah. This one I have on YouTube. I can't see it on YouTube for some reason. I put it in the playlist. Like, what is going on, YouTube? Anyway, yeah, this is the BG10. I wish I got the BG10A or whatever, BG10L, whatever the one that has this thing. But yeah, I also can't use this one because I don't know what happened to that. It's lost now. So yeah. Oh. Next up is my Gentex Simplex. I remember I just watched my other video about review, like there's a video where I said, alright guys, I'm gonna show you my fire alarm that I just bought. This is completely different. I was getting I don't know, I don't remember, but it's completely different. I was getting like an Edward, it looked like I was gonna get an Edwards Integrity Mini or something, but honestly, I think I just searched up the wrong picture. But Gentex Simplex, GX9-4-15/75WR. This was actually, I didn't notice, but it was actually like from 1996. That's pretty cool. Older fire alarm. So yeah, I like this one because it was actually like a branded one that made noise. That one was a knockoff. So yeah. Oh yeah, we had to test this one. This one is a little harder to test, everyone, because we're about to short the... Anyway, look. Yeah, this one is a little harder to test. I don't have those caps. And I also have them the wrong way. Here it is, everybody. ow. But, yeah. So this one, the strobe isn't working with, because this is 9 volts. I usually use it with a 12-volt system, because this is all that I could get at my mom's house. So, yeah, next alarm. Next alarm is the Cooper Wheelock Exceeder HSR. This one is actually recent. Around 3 weeks ago I got this, I think. But yeah, as you can see, it is one of my newer fire alarms. So, yeah, nothing. Well, I like that you can select the tones and candela. So that's pretty cool. Let's test it. Alright, right now I have it on low code 3. So, you could see all the tones on it in my video about this specifically. So, let's just plug it in. The flash is, there we go, now it's showing up on camera. So yeah, that's Exceeder. Next up is a Simplex T-bar. Hold on. My keys. This is the Simplex T-bar. And I just got this one. This one's recent too. As you can see, it's conventional. It is the Simplex 2099-9754. There's also a full review on this one. And after this is my full, is my all of the alarms that I got for my birthday. So, yep, next one. Next up is actually another kind of knockoff one, but it's actually a little bit wider. I like it, like, it's a fire alarm, but it's still a knockoff. It's still good though. I haven't tested it. I got this for my grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa, guys. If you watched me earlier, then you would know what that is. But yeah, we're actually going to test this one right now. Okay, so we're actually going to do all the tones on this really quickly, and I'm going to do that by pausing in between the siren tones and just starting the video when the other one starts playing. So let's do the first one. So that's all the tones on this thing. And just so you know, if you're watching this, Grandma and Grandpa, thank you, I like this, because now I get to do a whole test on like all of them. This next one is actually one I really, really like, because it is actually a knockoff, like, alarm bell. Like, it's, a lot of times they're like Simplex bells or like Edwards signaling bells. So this one is still really cool though, because I don't have a bell, and also, I don't know, it's cool. So yeah, we're just gonna test this out. Alright, this one might also be a little hard to test out because I don't have the caps. So let's see if this is it. It's really loud. Let's try and do like a tone with it. Oh no. Alright, it's just like being weird now. That's happened before. But yeah, guys. That's this bell. Next up is another knockoff one. So you know, this one is for my mom if she's watching. And my mom and my stepdad, if they're watching, thank you. I also like this. And this one looks like they put the sticker upside down. But yeah, this one is basically the same thing as the other one. I'm gonna do a video where I have all of the knockoffs, and then it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be actually kind of cool. But yeah, we're gonna test out this one. Probably gonna be Simpsons. We'll just do what we did last time. Alright guys, I just tested it out a little bit to make sure I wired it correctly, and it's actually kind of like really different. So, we're going to do all the tones just like last time. Here's tone 1. So yeah, that one is actually really different. Like the light is red and the speaker is kind of different. So, well, the tones are, but yeah, that's for this one. Next up is all the way over here. I lined them up. So this one, I actually just put my own thing on it. But as you can tell, it's another knockoff one from my stepdad and mom. Thank you. I like this one still, even though it's knockoff. I've noticed something. It's actually like heavy duty or plastic than the official Notifier Honeywell one, but it doesn't pull as easily, and there's like no color on the activated sign. I'm not sure if the braille is correct. I'm gonna have to do them side by side together, but this takes a different key. It takes these like other keys. Yeah, something that I also noticed that I didn't really like, because I thought it was kind of like not good. When you go to close it, you actually have to manually flip up the switch again after pulling it. Yeah, it kind of has the same building layout on the front, but not the back. Back is thick. It has all these terminals right here, and there's a light. I think the light might work. I don't know, but we're gonna try it during another system test. I'm not doing nothing today. So, yeah, there's this one. Here are both of them compared together. This lettering is bigger, but they had to make space for this house, like with a fire coming out. So I just put Omi Alarms Co. There's just a blank space there, so. And then good. And then as you can see, this is still activated. This also has LED, but the terminals are on the back. And you could just close it and it's all good. But this one, if it's open, well, if you try to close it when it's down, it doesn't close. But I don't want to make it. Yeah, you have to flip it up, and then you can close it. So, and that's all, everyone. That is my full fire alarm collection, minus one that's lost. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.